Okay, welcome to page 26. This is the same process as before, only this time we've added a third number to our least common multiples. So instead of only drawing two lines, now we're going to draw three lines. All right, let's add each number to their line. And now we write out our multiples. Again, I always like to aim for about 10 just to start. And then if I can't find a least common multiple, that just means I have to extend that line a little bit longer. But usually 10 is enough. 6 plus 6 is 12. Plus 6. All right, we have our first 10 numbers there. Let's work on row number 2. Is 16 plus 16, which gives us 32, plus 16 is 48. All right, let's give it a shot for row number 3. 8 plus 8, 16 plus 8, which gives us 24. All right, let's give this a shot. Do we see any 6s? No. Do we see any 12s? No. 18? Nope. 24? 30, 36, 42, 48. Okay, let's see if that is our magical number. I'm just gonna put a little dot there. Let's see if we can find a 48 in here. 48. And there you have it, folks. 48 is your least common multiple. Let's do number 2 together. Let's add our number into each row. All right, let's figure out this whole row. Let's go 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. All right, let's try row number 2. 12 plus 12 is 24 plus 12 All right, let's work on this last row. 20 plus 20. 40 plus 20. 60 plus 20. 80. 100. Okay, let's see if we can find a number in common. There's no 4. There's 12, but no 12 in this row, so it's not 12. 16, 20, but not in row 2. All right, we just found it. 60, 60, and 60. Now, in the past, I have seen some students cut this a little bit short, just like I said before. Typically, aim for around 10 numbers. If you had followed that protocol, you would not have been able to find a number that is common in all three lines. If that ever happens to you, it just means that you have to extend that line a little bit further. Your homework is going to be to finish the rest of this page all the way to number 10. All right, congratulations. If you stuck with me, good job. I'll see you on page 29.